Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. Now today I'm going to be doing another FNAF craft and I'm really excited because I feel it's going to be pretty simple but still look pretty cool in my opinion. So today I will be making FNAF mugs and I figured out a pretty simple way in order to do them. At least I hope. So here we go. Okay, so I found these at Walmart during their Valentine's Day stuff, and what it is it's basically a mug that on the inside you put a piece of paper. Now this one has a design on it, but I won't be using this design. But you put the piece of paper inside and then you close this around it. And what I figured I could do is basically use this piece of paper as a template and then print out like a sheet of a whole bunch of pictures of like my favorite FNAF characters or just something like that, and then use this as a pattern, I guess, to cut around. So we're gonna see how that works. I'm just using these mugs like just to kind of sit around the house, so we'll see what happens, but I'm overall excited about the idea. I think it'll look pretty cool. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find some pictures that I like and I will be back. Okay, so this is pretty much what I did. I basically just picked the main Nightmare animatronics, figured that would look nice, and I'm gonna keep the background white because these guys are darker, so I feel like it'll work better. So the next thing to do is to print it out, and now, this is my first try printing them out, so I'm not sure if they're going to be exactly correct, but I kind of eyeballed it with the paper that went into the mug and what I see here, so I'm going to hope that it's close enough, so we'll see. Okay, so I printed out, and I'm pretty happy with it. The only thing is their feet kind of got cut off, but it'll be fine. It's okay. I'm going to use it anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece of paper, I'm going to flip over my print, and I'm going to put this on the back so I can trace it, and the pencil marks will be on the back so they won't be as noticeable, and then I'm going to kind of line it up as best as I can in the middle, and then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm just going to trace it. And then after this, I'm going to cut it out the best I can, as straight as I can. So now that it's done tracing, I'm going to cut it out and we'll see how it looks. I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping this looks pretty decent. Okay, I finished cutting it out and this is what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with it. Now for the moment of truth to see if it works with the mug. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of move it around a bit, maybe, if I can get it. And put that in there. Oh my god, look at that! Look how cute that is! Oh my gosh, that is so awesome! Oh my god, I love that! That is so neat! Okay, so now I have an idea for my last one, and I will be back when this one is done then as well. Super excited! So I managed to finish the second one. Here's the first one, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. And then this is the second one. It is so cute. I used the regular animatronics, or I should say the original animatronics from the FNAF world, and they look so cute. I am so happy with how these turned out, and I really enjoyed it. It was really fun and simple, and now these are going to go on my Five Nights at Freddy's shelf, and they'll hold something in them eventually. So that is it. That's how they turned out. So that is how I was able to create the FNAF mugs. I don't know if you noticed, but I am super happy with them. I love how they turned out. They are so cute. I love them so much. But that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!